Well, ladies and gentlemen, just about 10 minutes after I caught a southbound coal train, here comes a northbound Norfolk Southern. Let's watch these vintage signals flash. Okay, crossing gates, time to come down. I believe this is a Type 3 electronic bell. The original crossing was taken out. These are still incandescent. There you go, no left turn. The train is coming. This old signal right here is all that remains of the old crossing. This new 1990-2000 crossing, brand new. Let's see what kind of train we've got. Thankfully, I did not catch any gate runners like the one that I caught 10 minutes ago. Since this line is double track, you could have one train going north, another train going south. I bet at that point where that coal train was at a few minutes after it passed the crossing, was probably never grade crossing with two tracks, which is also a friendly reminder that when crossing multiple tracks after a train has passed, make sure when the gates go up, watch for a second train. You should wait until the gates go completely up before crossing. And remember, when it comes to trains, a tie at the crossing means you lose. Never ever try a beat train to a highway grade crossing. Your life means more than time. As Operation Lifesaver states, stop, look, listen, and live. Looks like we've got empties here. Well, I think I see the end of the train coming because the other signals way down there have deactivated. And then these gates should be going up soon. Yep, there go those signals. Here comes the end of the train. Let's listen to the General Signals Type 3 electronic bells. The gates arise. Gates go up. There you have it, folks. Norfolk Southern train action, and as we see. Well, thanks guys for watching. Please put a like and subscribe. Over and out.